This is a used 2007 Mercedes-Benz GL Class, powered by all-wheel drive, a 4.6-liter, 8-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. The features include a sunroof, command system, heated seats, a HomeLink system, digital audio input, steering wheel controls, alloy rims, dual temperature controls, automatic climate control, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Safety was made a priority with these features: side airbags, second and third row head airbags, rain sensing wipers, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.